2016 Kia Forte cowl removal. Let's get it. Welcome back to another video here at Chris Rod Garage, and if you haven't already, be sure to leave a like on this particular video, and if you're brand new here to the channel for your boy, just hit the sub button down below, man. So we are here today, another glorious, beautiful Connecticut weather. Yeah, it's a little chilly, but we're just gonna stick through it. And today we're gonna be showing you guys how to remove the windshield cowl off of a 2016 Kia Forte. Now, as far as the generations go, I believe this goes from 2014 all the way to 2018, but I could be wrong in that generation. But one reason you want to be able to learn how to take care of this cowl is because in order for you to get to the struts on this particular car, something you're going to have to do is get to the 3 main bolts for the strut. And obviously that's going to be located directly under the cowl. And I'm here to pretty much show you guys how to remove it so that you can have a nice smooth transition to be able to get your struts done. Quick side note, when removing the cowl, one of the things you want to make sure that you try not to rip or tear off of the car is going to be this particular hose right here. And I'm pretty sure that that hose has something to do with the windshield washer fluid to be able to go onto the windshield of the car. So with that said, first thing you want to make sure you do is remove the 2 pieces of plastic trim that are going to be clipped onto the cowl, which are located right here and as well as right here. And the way you want to take these out, if these leaf blowers can allow me to think, the way you're going to go about it is pretty much pry with your own fingers right onto here, bring it all the way up, and then you pretty much slide it right down from the windshield. And the way that we can see how this is pretty much installed in the car is 1, 2, 3, 4 clips, and you pry that up and then remove this part of the trim piece from the windshield or that side of the panel. That what's that called? A-pillar? After you remove the trim pieces, you want to go ahead and tackle the windshield wiper arms. Just take these off all in one piece, and it's pretty simple. The way you do that, you kind of turn these little pieces right here that cover this whole ordeal, go into this notch with a flathead screwdriver, pry it open, and then remove it with the screw. So the leaf blowers were a giant pain, but did you see that flip? We failed it. Did you see the next one? We nailed it. So the following step to remove the wiper arms on this Kia Forte, we're going to have to use a 14mm socket to take away the nuts. And once you take the nuts off, you just got to remove the wipers, and easy come, easy go. After removing the wiper arms, our next step is going to be the 4 clips that are tying down this whole cowl in place, which is going to be located right over here, 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 and here. Now I will say, I've already taken these clips out, so this is going to be easier for me because I already know what I have. But there's a good chance you're going to break some of those clips. Be prepared. Speaking of those clips that you may break when it comes down to it, my recommendation, before you even remove the cowl at all or attempt this particular job, I would say it's a good practice to at least go to the Kia dealership, see if they have the clips that you may need, or get some fasteners that are the same size as the clips that are on the cowl. But if you're not in the mood to go to the Kia dealership and spend an arm and a leg, check it out. I got an affiliate link down below in the description that will show you some clips in a 240-piece set. Now that those clips are finally out of the way, the last and final step to remove the cowl from the car, you want to make sure you grab hold of the cowl, but push towards you and a little bit up. That's it. I just dropped the clips, completely forgot about that. But now that you have your cowl fully out of the way, you are able to access 2 things, and that's going to be the bolts to your strut assembly and as well the whole assembly for the wiper motor. And once you have officially completed one of those 2 jobs, you are officially able to put everything back together with a simple reverse of the removal. But with all that being said, if you guys found this video enjoyable and or helpful in any kind of way, be sure to leave a like, and don't forget for your boy, be sure to join the click by simply smashing the subscribe button and as well as ring the notification bell. Till then, it's my boy Chris Rod, and I'll see all you beautiful people in the next one, man. Peace.